In a bustling office, the IT guy, Jake, noticed a peculiar sound. "Achoo!" echoed from the corner. "Bless you," he said, but no one was there. Again, "Achoo!" Jake followed the sound to a dusty old computer. "Why are you sneezing?" he chuckled. The computer screen flickered. "I have a virus," it replied. Jake laughed. "Guess I need to update your antivirus." The office erupted in giggles as Jake pretended to hand the computer a tissue. "Next time, cover your ports," he joked. Everyone hit the like button, subscribed, and left comments to support Jake's humor.